All right, our walking pad has arrived. Let's go ahead and unbox it. All right, so this is the girlfriend's walking pad, but we're gonna unbox it and give it a test. So let's see what's in this. Styrofoam padding, more tape to remove. Oh. So the only loose item I see in here is our instruction manual. We got the user manual. Nice little remote, almost looks like a TV remote. And we have 4 different buttons here. Let's see, does it come with batteries installed? No, it does not. And lastly, in the baggie, we have a nice Allen wrench. So this says it's a lubricant oil for motorized treadmill. I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove the treadmill from the box now. That is really all I see in here. I don't see any other parts. All right, now if I pick this guy up, it's definitely movable. I wanna say this is like 50 pounds, 60 pounds, really not too bad. For the unveil, you have some protective tape here along the trim. Yeah, overall first impressions, I like the design. It's very compact and simple. So if I'm 6 foot, 190 pounds, let's see how I feel, if I'm comfortable or not on this size. Honestly, yeah, this seems great. I think I could definitely walk on this, no issues. Let's turn it on and go find out. Check the length. A little bit short. Was that 4 to 5 feet? All right, so I just went and got an extension cord because this thing is tiny and it has turned on its own after being plugged in. So I'm seeing 0, 0, which I'm guessing is like the walking speed. We'll find out. Let's see. Batteries required. All right, now per the manual, it says to check underneath the belt here and feel if it is wet or oily at all. I've done that. There's no oil feel whatsoever. So it's saying to apply the lubricant underneath this on the running belt in the center, and then we're gonna run this as slow as possible for a minute. This doesn't seem to have a hole in the tip for some reason, so I'm gonna grab some scissors and create one. All right, so I just sliced off the top, but it's fine because it comes with a little cap here we can put on the top when we're done. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift up this belt, and it is pretty tight. So I kind of have to really get under there. And I'm just gonna apply it around here to the rear kind of central area and just generously add some of this. All right, the tip is pretty much central. Now the hard thing about this, you can't see it come out at all. I'm just gonna squeeze a bit and trust the process. All right, now let's power it on for the first time. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the power button, press the power button again. There it goes, 3, 2, 1, 0. I can see now it says 0.6. I know that's 0.6 miles. It's going the slowest speed right now. That's perfect. That's exactly what we want to spread out this oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this oil in a little bit. Just moving my hand side to side to kind of smear it out. And this instruction manual does come with a full maintenance guide. Over time, this might loosen up a little bit or move side to side, and you can adjust that with your Allen wrench on these back 2 corners. We'll take a look at the display here really quick. So we have 4 different things it's displaying here, and it's cycling through them. So the first one is your time, how long you've been on the treadmill. Then it gives us our speed, distance, and then calories burned. One neat feature I just want to note in the instructions here, it says there's a countdown function on the remote. That's what this key is right here. And the countdown works for 3 different measurements, either the time, the distance, or the calories. And then it'll count down from there to 0. And then I assume, let's see, stop or blink or something like that. Anyways, I'm hopping on now. It's time. All right, so it's fully off. So I'm going to step into the center. Press the power button once and we should see 0, 0. Okay, let's see, is it gonna move yet? No, so it doesn't move on the first click, but we're gonna hit the power button again now and it'll slowly speed up here. Gives us a little countdown to prepare and we're moving. Right off the bat, I'm noticing it is just as quiet as they claim. There's no motor audio at all. All you hear is the tread just dragging against the board. All right, we'll pick it up to, let's go to 2 miles per hour. And this goes around 3, maybe a little higher. So far it's handling me just fine though. We're gonna jack up the speed here. 3, this is almost max, might be the max. I feel comfortable. I'm pretty tall, 6 foot, like I said. I got a wide walk, and I mean, I don't even have to try. I'm staying on here, no problem. It is fast though. I don't know if the average person is gonna be walking at 3 miles per hour, maybe. All right, let's take it to the max speed now. See how much further it'll go. 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, 3.8, oh my. Okay, so you can do some fast walking on this guy. Yeah, I'm having no problem here. Still feels good. I think it's plenty long for me. Even better for someone shorter. I'm definitely gonna start getting a workout in here. Yeah, I'm impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off now. Let's see how it slows it down. Okay, let's drop in speed. We're coming to a stop. I'm impressed. I got nothing bad to say yet. I think the girlfriend's gonna be pleased. We might come back here and make a review after we've used it for a few months. But yeah, I'll give this guy a thumbs up. Really simple to set up and use. Seems to work great, and I do recommend it as of now. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful.